Hi there, this is a recipe for a chimichanga. If you never heard of this, I love that name by the way. It basically is like a burrito that is deep fried, and this one is going to be filled with pulled pork, so it's going to be extra tasty. This is one of the most loved recipes here at Luchito, so we hope that you really like this video. Okay, let's get cooking. Start by preparing the spicy tomato sauce for your chimichangas. For this, you're gonna fry the onion in the hot oil with the melted butter. Then add the chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, a pinch of sugar, and season with salt and pepper. Once your spicy sauce is ready, put it into the blender and blend until smooth. Then set aside. Spread the Chipotle Refried Beans onto the warm Burrito Wraps. Then add a good amount of the pulled pork on top. Add the grated mozzarella on top and then wrap your burritos tightly. Secure the ends with a toothpick. Shallow fry your chimichangas in very hot oil. Make sure they are crispy all the way around. Once they're golden and crispy, it means they're ready. Place them over kitchen paper to absorb any excess oil. Get ready to serve. Serve while they're still warm with the spicy salsa on top, shredded cabbage, a dollop of creme fraiche, jalapeno, and roughly chopped coriander. Enjoy!